Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Marvel Rivals is not launching on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to update the graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD write-down software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating your graphics card, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, second step, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Marvel Rivals game and select the properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After verifying the game files, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, third step, you just need to right click on the game and select manage and select browse local files. You just need to right click on the game exe file and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program in compatibility mode for. Click on this drop down and select Windows 8 and select the play and OK for such changes. Now you can launch this game using run as administrator from this location and check if the problem solved or not. If not, fourth step, you just need to update Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After getting update done, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, fifth step, you just need to add a launch option. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the game and select properties. In launch option, you just need to try launching these both launch option one by one. Now just to close stuff here and launch the game. If this launch option doesn't work, then try this launch option and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.